Hello friends, is your car running rough, stalling unexpectedly, or struggling to start? If your OBD-II scanner is showing code P0371, then your engine's timing system is in trouble. Ignoring this issue could lead to misfires, poor acceleration, and even complete engine failure. In this video, we'll break down what P0371 means, common symptoms, exact sensor location, and the best fixes to get your car back to normal. Let's dive in. P0371 stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal A, too many pulses. This means the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is detecting an excessive number of timing pulses from the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. This can confuse the engine's timing system, leading to erratic performance and drivability issues. Common symptoms of P0371 include check engine light is on, engine misfires and rough idling, hesitation or stalling while driving, poor fuel economy, hard starting or no start condition, and loss of power and weak acceleration. If you're facing any of these issues, checking the sensor location is the next step. The crankshaft and camshaft position sensors work together to manage timing. If either of these sensors sends too many signals, the PCM flags a P0371 error. Key locations to inspect. Crankshaft position sensor, found near the crankshaft pulley harmonic balancer or flywheel. Camshaft position sensor, typically mounted on the engine's cylinder head near the timing cover. Sensor wiring and connectors, look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections leading to these sensors. PCM, in rare cases, a malfunctioning PCM can misread sensor signals. Tip: the sensor location may vary depending on the vehicle model. Check your repair manual for exact details. Now let's dive into some common causes of the P0371 code. First up, a faulty crankshaft position sensor. When this sensor is defective, it can send excessive timing signals, which confuses the powertrain control module. Next, we have a failing camshaft position sensor. If this sensor malfunctions, it may create incorrect pulse readings, leading to issues. Another common cause is damaged sensor wiring or connectors. Loose, frayed, or corroded wiring can result in erratic signals. Then there's the possibility of a defective powertrain control module. A faulty PCM may misinterpret sensor signals, causing problems. Timing chain or belt issues are also a factor. If either is stretched or misaligned, the engine's timing can become unstable. Lastly, electrical interference from other components. A bad alternator or battery can cause signal spikes, leading to errors. Alright, let's dive into how to fix the P0371 error code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code and check for additional errors. Step 2. Inspect the CKP and CMP sensors for damage. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Check all wiring and connectors for corrosion, frays, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the alternator and battery voltage to rule out electrical issues. Step 5. If everything checks out, inspect the timing chain or belt for misalignment. Step 6. Finally, clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the car. Ignoring P0371 can lead to serious performance and drivability problems. Fixing it early will ensure smooth engine operation and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0040, oxygen sensor signal swapped, bank 1 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 1, and P0041, oxygen sensor signal swapped, bank 1 sensor 2, bank 2 sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.